Welcome to my channel. Join me, Trudy, for a Delos, Greece archaeological tour and discover why you must visit. Delos was the spiritual center of the ancient Greek world. As the birthplace of the twin gods Apollo and Artemis, it's one of the most important mythological and historical sites in Greece. The tiny island is a World Heritage Site with a unique vibe only accessible by boat. Even more, the next generation may be one of the last to see Delos because the island is sinking. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more travel content. Now let's go. We arrived at Sacred Harbor, the same place where ancient pilgrims and traders arrived. In the background is Mount Sinthos, the high point of the island. Delos became inhabited by 3rd millennium BC. It was an important site during 4 eras: the ancient, classical Greece, Hellenistic, and Roman times. First, our guide took us along the Sacred Way, a processional avenue from the Sacred Harbor to Apollo Sanctuary. Our first stop is the Roman Agora, or marketplace. The Romans took over and converted Delos into a free port during the 1st century BC. In the northern part of the Agora is the Portico of Philip V, the King of Macedonia. Covered in scaffolding, this landmark was constructed during the Hellenistic period. The Apollo Sanctuary had 3 temples on the island for the Athenians, Poros, and the Delians. There are many friendly cats on the island that keep the rodent population down. The Terrace of Lions faces east towards the sacred lake, protecting the island. They were dedicated to Apollo by the people of Naxos. Originally, 9 to 12 marble lions served as guardians along the sacred way. Today, 5 lion replicas remain on site. The sacred lake was dried out intentionally to eliminate the malaria-spreading mosquitoes. Next, we backtracked to the Sacred Harbor and up the hill towards the theater. We observed ruins from the rich merchants' villas with floor mosaics. The house of Dionysus was a luxurious private home from the 2nd century. It is named after the floor mosaic of Dionysus riding a panther. The house of the Trident is named after panels with a dolphin around anchor and trident. The Delos Theatre was one of few ancient Greek theaters built completely in marble. Its capacity seated 6,500 spectators and became designed for water catchment. We backtracked to the sacred harbor, ending our 3-hour walking tour. Our ferry ride back to Mykonos was a beautiful ending to the day.